Even though this might sound simple to some investors watching, finding a stock's dividend yield and really understanding how this works, especially early on in your dividend investing career, can be super confusing, and I specifically remember being very confused about this early on. Now in this video, we're going to talk about dividend yield, what a dividend yield actually is, and how you can very quickly, for absolutely free, find the dividend yield of any stock or ETF across the entire markets. So if you happen to be newer to dividend investing, I definitely recommend you stick around until the end, drop a like down below, and let's get right into it. Real quick, for those that haven't already, make sure to go to the first link in my description and grab my new dividend investing ebook, where I share exactly how I went from $0 invested to now earning over $6,000 on a monthly basis and over $1 million invested in the markets. Along with the ebook, you're also going to receive my custom dividend tracker, where you can track your dividend progress on an ongoing basis and reach your dividend investing goals. So make sure to grab yourself a copy of my dividend investing ebook and the new dividend tracker today. It's the first link in my description. So just to go over some of the basics, dividend yield. Dividend yield is a financial ratio showing the return an investor would earn from an investment based solely on its dividend payments. Now the dividend yield formula is very simple, as it says right here. The dividend yield is going to mean the annual dividends per share divided by the price per share. The dividend yield can be calculated from the last full year's financial report. Alternatively though, investors can also add the last 4 quarters of dividends, which captures a trailing 12 months of dividend data. Now you then might be asking, well, why is it even important to find out what a stock's dividend yield is in the first place? Well, knowing and finding out what a stock's or ETF's dividend yield is can give you an idea on how much you're going to earn as far as dividends on a yearly basis. And the math on this is really simple. Right here you see Microsoft Corporation, which is currently trading at around $406.02 as of filming this video. Now Microsoft currently has a dividend yield of around 0.74%. Now this is because you take the annual dividend amount, which is $3, you divide it by $406.02. And with that, you're going to get 0.74% dividend yield. So that also means that for every $100 that you were to invest into Microsoft as of today, where it's currently trading at $406 per share, more or less, you're going to earn around 74 cents for every $100 that you invest into Microsoft. Now Apple stock, on the other hand, is currently trading at around $216.24, and it's offering a 0.46% dividend yield. That's because Apple stock pays around $1 in dividends per year, and if you take that and divide it by $216.24, you're going to receive around a 0.46% dividend yield. Or again, even more simple math, for every $100 that you invest into Apple, you're going to receive around 46 cents per year. Now this brings me into a few very simple ways you can find any stock or ETF's dividend in a matter of seconds. This right here is seekingalpha.com, a very popular stock website. I'm not sponsored by them, I just use them all the time. Right here on the top, you can basically type in any stock or ETF, and with a click of the button, click on whatever you find. Then right here, go over to dividends, click right there, scroll down, and you can see right here that ETF's dividend yield is going to be 2.31%. You can also see exactly how much the ETF, for this example, paid out in dividends over the last year. Now seekingalpha.com is super easy. Like I said, it's absolutely free. Type in any stock or ETF at the top of the column and then scroll down and see exactly what that stock's dividend yield is going to be, and basically find out how much you're going to earn if you invest into it. Now for example, AT&T as of right now is currently trading around $19.49 per share, and because AT&T pays around $1.11 in payouts per year, that means that your yield for AT&T is around 5.7%. Or again, for every single share of AT&T that you buy, you're going to receive around $1.11 per year in dividends. Now another super easy free way to find this out, go to stockanalysis.com, and once again you're going to realize that a lot of these different stock websites are more or less the same. You can type in any company, any stock. Right here it says Apple stock, click right there, go over to this column dividend, and there we have it, another easy way to find the dividend yield for any stock with a few clicks of a button. Now last but not least, another very super fast way that you can find any stocks or ETF's dividend yield with a very low effort, go to yahoofinance.com, basically type in any stock or ETF right here at the top, and then right down here in all this different data, you can see forward dividend yield right here for Apple stock is 0.46%, which is the same that we saw across multiple different websites. Now it's important to figure out which of these different stock websites really suits you. Honestly, I love seekingalpha.com, but I use tons of different stock websites, and that's dependent on sort of what I'm looking for throughout the markets. So now that we talked about what dividend yield is and how you find the dividend yield on any stock or ETF with just a few clicks of your mouse, I now lastly have a question for you down below. What's your number one favorite stock or ETF as of right now throughout the market? Drop the ticker symbol in my comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to please drop a like and subscribe for more future content like this. Thanks as always for stopping by, and if you are interested in investing, make sure to check out these recent videos I posted right here.